Hello everyone, today we are going to meet Mr. Ram Pereira, a person with 30 years of supermarket management experience in Sri Lanka and Australia, a business development specialist, a business management consultant and a ground zero coach.
Okay, Mr. So, what is the Super 7 concept? What happens there?
Super 7 concept has been designed for independent investors to earn high sales and profits from these convenience stores. You know, the Sri Lankan market, we are lacking of convenience stores. So our idea is to convert available places into convenience stores. You can actually convert your garage. You can convert about 2 perch land into our modular conversion, and also you can go for brick and mortar. So with all these, what we are doing is the online facility of deliveries to doorsteps will be available for customers whenever customers wants anything, and wherever they want anything, we are ready to serve. And we are going to further develop this concept in high traffic corridors of Sri Lanka. Actually, our aim is to ensure that average family or investor, whoever who invests in these concepts, get a reasonable amount of profits by serving customers' needs and expectations.
Okay, so moving forward, someone will have come into this business and invest into this. Okay, so basically, what are the benefits that those investors will get once they invest into this Super 7 model?
Actually, when you look at it, in terms of the investment you do for this business, and if you look at the return on your investment or the ROI, you recover your investment in 2 years. So it gives you a 50% ROI. And the benefits the investors get it that as a company, we'll set up the entire outlet or the entire supermarket on behalf of the investor. Basically, the investor only has to invest and we will hand over the key. So the benefits, of course, it's a small investment, which it's relatively small when you in comparison with the investments that you can do for supermarkets, but you get a very high return on your investment. We will provide products from one single place. We will provide training. We will have business development managers at ground level visiting these outlets, educating these investors, educating staff, and developing that business to a next level. Also, we will have constant policies, procedures, laid out systems, superb loyalty systems inbuilt, mobile apps for deliveries, and we have partnered with several delivery companies in Sri Lanka to ensure that digital orders we get will be delivered to customers' doorstep. So there are so many benefits for these investors, and we are ready. We want to announce this, that we are ready to serve our nation and investors from this model Super 7.
Okay, so Mr. Mansoor, this will be the setup that you're going to go and set it up in the customer's location, right?
Exactly. So this is the conversion model, the modular model, which you can actually take it anywhere. It has a unique feature that in the evening you can run your barbecues outside to get more customers attracted to this model. This, of course, is the brick and mortar model where you also can invest and convert into a Super 7. Even the existing people who are running shops or mini supermarkets or supermarkets for that matter can convert into any of these models. That is Super 7.
So basically what happens is, once you make your investment, Super 7 consultants will come and set up this module at your location, and you can earn a return on your investment of 50% for a year.